Good morning everyone! Welcome to our exciting Kapampangan Heritage and Culture Tour. My name is Inendion V. Santos and I'm thrilled to be your guide as we explore the rich history, culture, and flavors of Pampanga. Today, we'll be visiting 5 incredible destinations: the tranquil Eco Park, the historic Villa Epifania, the elegant Rosioco Ancestral Manor, Salaria, the spiritual Santa Rita, the Acacia Parish Church, and the culinary gem Alvis Farm Kapampangan Culinary and Heritage Tour. As we journey through this spot, you to, you get to experience the beauty, heritage, and of course, the delicious cuisine that Pampanga is famous for. Be sure to have your cameras ready for your appetites. We're in for a memorable day. City reminders and tour tips. Before we dive in, let's go over a few reminders. Please stay seated while the bus is moving, and always watch your steps as you board and disembark at each destination. I let you know where to meet and the time to return to a bus so we can stay on schedule. Feel free to ask me any question along the way. I'm here to make your experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Overview of the day. Our first stop will be the serene Eco Park, where you can enjoy a bit of nature and fresh air. Then we head to Villa Epifania, an iconic historical home with its timeless charm, from where you can visit the elegant Rosioco Ancestral Manor, also known as Salaria, a place rich with the history of Pampanga Pass. The story of Pampanga Pass. After that, we'll spend time at the beautiful Santa Rita de Acacia Parish Church, and a testament to the region's deep spiritual roots. Family will wrap up at the Happy Alvis Farm, where you experience authentic Kapampangan culinary delights and immerse yourself in the heritage of Pampanga's flavorful traditions. Engagement. As we head to our first destination, feel free to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. I'll be sharing interesting stories and insights about the places we'll visit and the culture of Pampanga. If this is your first time exploring this beautiful province, you're in for a treat. And if you're a returning visitor, welcome back. Let's make this the day to remember. The Santa Rita Eco Park is a serene and refreshing green space in the municipality of Santa Rita, Pampanga. It is a well-loved destination for local visitors alike, offering a tranquil escape from urban life while showcasing the national beauty of Pampanga. The Eco Park, surrounded by lush greenery, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and unwinding. Visitors can enjoy the fresh air, scenic views, and the calming presence of the nature. The park's well-maintained pathways make it perfect for a peaceful stroll or a morning jog. Families and groups can enjoy picnics in designated spots around the park. These areas are shaded and provide a wonderful setting for outdoor dining and bonding. The Eco Park often promotes environmental conservation efforts, highlighting the importance of preserving nature. Activities such as tree planting and workshops may be conducted to educate visitors about the sustainable practices. The park is a popular venue for recreational activities, from simple walks to more dynamic group events. It is also a great spot for photography enthusiasts to capture the beauty of Pampanga's natural landscapes. Santa Rita is a town rich in history and culture, and the Eco Park complements this heritage by fostering a connection with nature. Villa Epifania is a heritage house in the Santa Rita, Pampanga that serves as a beautiful reminder of the town's rich history and culture legacy. This ancestral home is one of the many well-preserved structures in Santa Rita, a town known for its deep ties to Kapampangan heritage and traditions. Villa Epifania attracts history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, and those interested in experiencing the grandeur of old Pampanga. Villa Epifania is an ancestral house that dates back to the early 20th century, reflecting the lifestyle and influence of Pampanga elite families during that period. The house is named after Epifania de Leon, is a prominent figure in the local community and the descendant of the influential families in Santa Rita. It has become a symbol of the region's cultural and historical identity, preserving the legacy of Kapampangan families and their contribution to Pampanga's development. Villa Pipanya is a classic example of Spanish colonial architecture blending traditional Filipino design elements with the European influences. The large sliding windows with Capiz shells are a hallmark of the era, providing both natural ventilation and light. The iconic wooden staircase inside Villa Epifania is a centerpiece showcasing the craftsmanship of local artisans. Intricate woodwork can be seen in the furniture, balustrades, and wall panels showcasing the, the artistry of the Kapampangan people. The villa's large rooms and high ceilings reflect the luxurious lifestyle of the family who originally owned it. The Gosioco Ancestral Manor, also known as Salaria, is one of Santa Rita, Pampanga's most iconic heritage sites. This ancestral house stands a testament to the opulent lifestyle, deep cultural roots, and architectural brilliance of the Filipino-Spanish colonial period. It is a popular tourist attraction for those seeking to explore Pampanga rich history and heritage. The Gosioco Ancestral Manor is named after the prominent Gosioco family, one of the influential families in Santa Rita during the Spanish colonial period. The manor reflects social status of its original owners, who were well regarded for their contribution to the local community and economy. The term Salaria refers to a house historical role as a place of gatherings where social and cultural events took place, making it a significant landmark in Santa Rita history. Visitors can explore the exteriors and interiors of the house, admiring its architectural beauty and historical artifacts. Guided tours may be available, providing stories and insights about the manor history, the Gosioco family, and its significance in the local culture. The tranquil surroundings of the manor add to its charm, offering a peaceful retreat steeped in history. A visit to the Gosioco Ancestral Manor, or Salaria, is a journey into Pampanga's past. The Santa Rita de Acacia Parish Church, also known as the Parish Church of Santa Rita, is one of the most prominent historical and religious landmarks in Santa Rita, Pampanga. Dedicated to Santa Rita de Acacia, the patroness of impossible causes, the church is a place of spiritual significance, architectural beauty, and historical importance. Established in 1726, the church is one of the oldest in Pampanga and has played a central role in the religious life of the town. The church was built during the Spanish colonial period and stands as a testament to the influence of Catholicism in shaping Pampanga's culture and history. Over the centuries, it has been preserved and restored, maintaining its historical integrity and charm. The church architecture is heavily influenced by the Baroque style and characterized by its grand facade, detailed ornamentation, and symmetrical structure. The Albis Farm, located in Santa Rita, Pampanga, is a premier destination for those who want to immerse themselves in the rich culinary tradition and cultural heritage of the Kapampangan people. Known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, Pampanga takes pride in its flavors, and Albis Farm serves as a testament to this reputation. This unique farm offers a combination of authentic Kapampangan dining experiences and insights into the region's history, traditions, and agricultural practices. Visitors are treated to a farm-to-table dining experience with dishes made from fresh locally sourced ingredients. The farm offers a glimpse into Kapampangan traditions, including storytelling about the Albis family and the history of Santa Rita. Guests can explore preserved ancestral homes, learn about local custom, and discover the historical significance of the Kapampangan people. Good afternoon, everyone! as we come to the end of today's journey, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks to all of you. It's been a pleasure guiding you, and I hope you enjoy the experience as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. Your curiosity, enthusiasm, and positive energy made this day truly special. I hope you take home not only features but also wonderful memories of today's explorations. Thank you for your cooperation, patience, and good spirits. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to share them. Wishing you safe travels and many more adventures ahead. Thank you once again and have a great day. Rest of your day.